So very privileged to be here on the whenua Rakiura. I've been here for 2 years now, teaching and embedding Te Reo Māori within the whānau. My name is Pippa Hakopa. I'm the kaupapa haere here on Rakiura, Te Punga o Te Waka or Aoraki. So I've been here since 2020 on the call of the whānau here who had aspirations of wanting to learn Te Reo Māori, wanting to reclaim their identity, to reconnect with their whenua, their whānau hapū iwi.
I got into this because of my age and I had not had any cultural upbringing at all. My grandfather was born here on the Neck in 1892. The other part for me was I have 4 grandchildren that live here, and they're all, I want them to be much more culturally sensitive than I was in my days.
I came over here for mahi, to work on the salmon farms over here on Rakiura, and then when I first moved to Rakiura, I noticed that there wasn't Te Reo Māori, wasn't spoken that much.
It's like it's a part of me that has never been there, and I'm starting to get to know myself and get to know my roots as well, which is really, really good. I can actually stand up and be proud of where I'm from.
The most challenging thing, I think, is to unlearn all the bad pronunciation of Māori kupu, and also finding my heritage and claiming my whakapapa, which is something I've always felt quite whakamā about, because, you know, people have always said you don't look Māori enough to be Māori.
It's been an intergenerational loss of a language and a culture here for generations, and they've just seized the moment, taking every opportunity to reclaim their identity, their reconnection to Te Ao Māori, to their tupuna, and all the beautiful ingoa Māori here. People might call it a cultural revolution here on Rakiura. I call it a cultural rebirthing for our people here.
Rakiura, te whenua, rakita mau, tahunui a rangi. Tui e te rangi e tunei, tui a te papa e takoto nei, tui a te huna wahirua, tui a te here tangata. Ananui raki ahua.
We've been fortunate to lease a whare here to run our programs out of, our Te Reo Māori and wānanga and workshops for the community and for our whānau of murihiku. And today is the opening or the blessing of our whare.
Now we have a whare. Love to see it develop further. I'd love to see us being able to do weaving, korowai, but I mean, it's a welcoming place for us all too here.
I'm just looking forward to our journey continuing on, watching our whānau grow, learning, getting to the point where we can fluently speak reo all the time.
A couple of years on, I see whānau down the road, and we'll start to implement the Te Reo Māori, which is kia ora, ka kite, it's only the simple stuff.
Writing Rakiura Te Whenua that we sang before, that was amazing, to have our own wāta, which we haven't had down here, so that was our first.
Hey!